Hey guys, this is just a quick little DIY video. I'm adding some mint oil, some castor oil. I'm only going to fill it up to 8 ounces altogether. I'm adding some sweet almond oil as well. And those are going to be the two main ingredients, castor oil and sweet almond oil. I'm going to follow that up with some rosemary oil. Lots of this. I don't know how many drops, more than 20, that's for sure. So it's going to be castor, rosemary, and sweet almond, the main ingredients, a little bit of tea tree because I hate the smell, and sweet orange just for the smell to knock out the tea tree and whatever other weird scents I might get with the mint leaves and the castor oil. Now this is my ginger oil and coconut infused mixture. Just gonna squirt some of that in there together, which is what I use for my pre-poo. So coconut and ginger as well. But again, the base is mostly going to be the castor oil and the rosemary. Some more to go. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.